friends, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Model Glamper here. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. So sit back and relax. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So look what I received today. If you know, you know. Come with me while I unbox this perfume. I don't know what kind of box I thought that this was gonna come in, right? But it seems awful small. We're going to find out about this here. You can see it better without the plastic. Straight in for Paris, from Paris. Didn't even take that long to get here. Ooh. Let's see what we're working with here. And why I thought this bottle was bigger than that. I don't have my my test strips down here. So we're about to find out about this together. Let's see what that atomizer is spraying like. Let's see. Okay. That's good. I just sprayed out. Ooh. 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 That is like, that's beast mode. Ooh. Come with it. Let me do that again. Ooh. I'm about to say what this remind me of. I'm going to need to spray it again because it remind me of something. So it reminds me of something that I have had to eat. Something sweet. And this, I'm going to be sprayed the whole bottle. So seductive. Oh my goodness, this is seductive. This is like exotic. This is like I'm where am I at? On a beach. This is like, I keep spraying. This is it's no stretch of imagination. I kid you not. This stuff is like, come on, Perry. So I didn't even tell you what the name of this perfume is, but the name of this perfume is by, first of all, I'm gonna say two ladies in the perfume group, the Perfume Connoisseur, Joy and Cheryl. Yeah, those are the corporates. Those are the two ladies that's always twisting my arm to buy something. It's like, it's getting ridiculous. It's just getting like, excessive. I mean, they got me in a chokehold. And, yeah, this perfume life is not for the weak. I promise you that part. So, I should have had all this stuff together before I came on camera. I don't have the notes. What else that I don't have? Yeah, I don't have the notes. But I was just so excited. Well, let me back up. I did get this earlier. And so I didn't do it earlier. So I had went out. And when I came back home, well, I just got back home. So went to a party. And so so I said, let me do this now. So I ain't prepared, but I was just so excited about it because I just, you know, it came in quickly, number one. And I think I just ordered this last week. I think I did. And I ain't never known nothing to come across upon that quick, you know? So anyway, so the name of this perfume is Shalimar. It's by who is this perfume? Let me start. It's by Guerlain. See, me in 2024, I'm gonna get all these names of these perfumes, these French perfumes, these Arab perfumes, all of them. I'm gonna make it my mission to get all these names correctly without jacking them up. Cause if I don't do nothing else, I'm gonna jack up a name on some perfume. So, this is, I can read it better off the box. So this is Shalimar, and what is this? The mild. Let me messing these words. Not messing the words up, but you gotta hold a box at a different angle so you can see exactly what it say, or it could be my eyes, but we're gonna blame it on the box. So it's Millèsime, Aris D. Guerlain, and it's from Paris. Okay, y'all agree or y'all don't agree? Okay, so this is how many ounces is this? You would thought I would have known this. It's the Eau Perfume. I paid 97 American dollars for this. I believe it's a 1.7 ounce. That's what I want to say. For $97, that's what it's going to be. 1.7 ounce, in which that is a absolute beast price coming from Paris. Come on now. So yeah. I'm here talking. I'm about to get the notes, so you won't be in the dark. Okay, y'all. The notes are. You ain't gonna mess with me about being prepared. So the notes, let me tell you what the la. So it's a new fragrance that was launched in 2023. That was just last month there. But I believe it was like launched probably like in like November, October. Don't quote me on it though, but it's nowhere in there. That's when that was launched. It's a what was I supposed to say? It's an amber fragrance, and it's for everyone. So it's not catered to any particular gender. Oh my God, gender. Forgive me. So anyway, let's move right along here. So the top notes are bergamot. That's the top note. The middle notes is Italian orris roots. And the both, what's wrong with my language? The base notes are Madagascar vanilla and caramel. And there's another note in here. Hold on, where my notes at? Those are the base notes. That's the top notes. So I told you what the top note is, and the middle notes, and we are at the base note. Come on now, get it together. So, like I said, the base notes are Madagascar, vanilla, and caramel. And this fragrance is like, first, you see, I just took it out the box. So, at first spray, this is. So, like this bottle, I mean, I like the bottle. Y'all like the bottle? I like the bottle. But it seems like Cheryl and Joy's bottle was bigger than mine. Did they opt for the bigger bottle? Gave me the link to the smaller bottle? You think that's what happened? We'll investigate that. So anyway, so get your nose on this. If you don't like this was a complete blind buy for me because I trust their perfume scents, and they know my scent profile, what I like. So I trust them. So they wouldn't steer me wrong or anything. And that vanilla is not a very prominent note or anything. Not that I can pick up anyway, because I'm pretty much nose blind to vanilla. So, and I don't like vanilla.